Hello, today we are cooking coconut jollof rice with stewed turkey without any oil. Okay, let's ride on. That's the fresh turkey. You add salt, you add your seasoning, that's the turmeric, that's my thyme, then you add onion, then mix them together and allow it to cook. Yeah, when it has cooked halfway, the meat has cooked halfway, then you bring it down because we are still going to cook the meat inside the stew. If you have watched up to this time, why not subscribe to my channel to encourage me to do more videos that will add value to your life. Okay, we are taking down the turkey. Now that's the broth that we saved. We're now making the sauce, the stew for the meat. That is the stew we will use in cooking the coconut jollof rice. It will amaze you that I am frying this tomato in this dry pot, no oil added. That is the wonder of salad master cookware. You can cook anything without oil. So I'm frying this tomato, and the tomato is going to dry up. So you don't even need oil to dry your tomato. The fresh tomato is dried up, and I've just added my tin tomato. Mix them together and add your stock to it. You see the amount of oil that came out of the meat you cooked, and that's enough to make your stew. And this is how we make our stew without additional oil to it. Remember that oil is not that good for your body, all those processed oil. Now taste and add a little more if it is not as tasty as you want it to be. So this is the time that I'm gonna add the turkey and allow the turkey to cook in that stew. That will give you a very delicious taste. So mix it up and allow it to cook. And when the turkey is cooked, now this is the time to take out the meat, because we are going to use the tomato stew to make the coconut jollof rice. So that's the stew that we took away the meat from. Pour in your coconut milk. You can buy coconut milk in the stores. Then add the remaining stock. Okay, so that's the mixture. The only difference between jollof rice and coconut rice is that you added coconut milk to coconut rice. So add more water to it if you need. Taste for salt and seasoning. That's the rice that I soaked and washed. I soaked it with hot water for about 10 minutes, washed and kept aside. So I added the rice, mixed them very well, then allow it to boil. When the vapor valve clicks, then you now open up and stir it, and that's the last stirring. Cover it and allow it to click again. When it clicks again, then you know that your food is ready. This is time for you to mix together, everything together, and the rice is ready. Coconut rice without oil is ready. Look at that. So now it's time to serve. Let us serve coconut rice, coconut jollof rice with our stewed turkey. Wow, so delicious, so yummy, so good. Wow, yummy. Subscribe, like my video for more videos to come.